Hi, I chose Class Dojo for my first website because it is something that I use on a daily basis. It's a great community builder and connection to parents. I have taught first grade and fifth grade using Class Dojo. It was utilized differently and they add new things every year. First, it is a great classroom management tool, and I will go into resources really quickly just to show you a couple of things. You can share among students, you can share among parents, you can share among teachers and staff members in your school, so everybody has access to the kids that they need access to. There's also lots of resources for parents. Now to go into my class, I'm connected to the school and I'm also connected to all the fifth grade teachers. I use it as a classroom management tool, but we don't always use it as a negative. We have a whole class goal that we set, and we work towards that goal in order to earn celebrations. I also use it to connect parents and as a safe sort of form of social media for my kids. We post pictures, we post reminders, and I'm also able to message parents individually when needed. When I taught first grade, I also used something called the Big Ideas, and the Big Idea is a really cool, cute little cartoon, and they go through mindfulness with the kids, so teaching them how to meditate, how to deal with bullies, lots of social and emotional great stuff on that one. I'm hoping to implement soon these student accounts where the kids can set up their own portfolios. I just really feel like it'll be good practice for middle school, and their parents will be able to see what they post. My goal in using Class Dojo is to give kids incentives and stay connected with parents. I can also make it fit the needs of my classroom. If I have a specific goal that I want to meet for a kid with behavior or communication, I can use it to keep data for that and then kind of just track things for myself if necessary, and it's a visual for the kids. In order to create an account, let me back out of here. Oops. You click right here on sign up, and then you can sign up as a school leader, a student, a parent, or a teacher. You are going to want to sign up as a teacher. Obviously, I already have an account. Once you get in there, you put your kids in, and then you print out codes for parents. That seems to be the hardest part, is getting parents to sign up. So I just use it at the very beginning of the school year. I have parents sign up at Meet the Teacher Night, and then I also give it to them at conferences if they still haven't signed up. So I usually get most of my parents signed up, and it makes it really easy to communicate with them throughout the year. And that is why I use Class Dojo. Thank you.